Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to see you here today. ఈ రోజు ఈ వీడియోలో have to కు సంబంధించిన మరికొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మనం నేర్చుకుందాము. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో కూడా have to కు సంబంధించి కొన్ని వాక్యాలను నేర్చుకుందాము. మనందరికీ ఇంగ్లీష్ బాగా తెలిసినప్పటికీ మనం మాట్లాడలేకపోవడానికి కారణం మనకి ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాక్టీస్. సో ఈ ప్రాక్టీస్ ను మనం ఈ వీడియోలో చేద్దాం. లెట్స్ గెట్ స్టార్ట్. మనం మన పరిసరాలను పరిశుభ్రంగా ఉంచాలి. We have to keep our surroundings clean. We have to keep our surroundings clean. మనమందరం సంతోషంగా జీవించాలి. We all have to live happily. We all have to live happily. మనం సరియైన వ్యక్తులకే ఓటు వేయాలి. We have to cast our vote to the right person only. We have to cast our vote to the right person only. మనమందరం కలిసి కూర్చొని మాట్లాడుకోవాలి. We all have to sit and talk together. We all have to sit and talk together. నీవు బాగా మాట్లాడాలి. You have to study well. You have to study well. పరీక్ష పాస్ అవ్వడానికి నీవు బాగా చదవాలి. You have to study well to pass the exam. You have to study well to pass the exam. నేను మా ఫ్రెండ్ కి ఫోన్ చేయాలి. I have to make a phone call or ring up to my friend. I have to make a phone call to my friend. లేదా ఇలా కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. I have to make a ring up to my friend. నేను వాళ్ళ ఆశీర్వాదం తీసుకోవాలి. I have to take their blessings. I have to take their blessings. నీవు నీ పద్ధతి మార్చుకోవాలి. You have to change your way of behavior. You have to change your way of behavior. నేను నీకు ఒక విషయం చెప్పాలి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఒకే సెంటెన్స్ ను మనం రెండు విధాలుగా చెప్పవచ్చు. I have to tell something to you. I have to tell you something. ఇలా కూడా మాట్లాడతాము. I have to tell you something. I have to tell something to you. మరికొన్ని సెంటెన్సెస్ చూద్దాం. I have to wake up early tomorrow. I have to wake up early tomorrow. You have to finish your homework before playing. You have to finish your homework before playing. She has to go to the office today. She has to go to the office today. We have to clean the kitchen. We have to clean the kitchen. They have to attend the meeting on time. They have to attend the meeting on time. He has to study hard to pass the exam. He has to study hard to pass the exam. I have to call my friend later. I have to call my friend later. You have to listen carefully in class. You have to listen carefully in class. We have to wear uniforms at school. We have to wear uniforms at school. She has to cook dinner tonight. She has to cook dinner tonight. He has to complete his work before lunch. He has to complete his work before lunch. I have to charge my phone. I have to charge my phone. You have to respect your teachers. You have to respect your teachers. She has to wash her clothes today. She has to wash her clothes today. We have to attend the wedding tomorrow. We have to attend the wedding tomorrow. I have to take care of my parents. I have to take care of my parents. You have to pay the electricity bill today. You have to pay the electricity bill today. We have to save money for the future. We have to save money for the future. They have to submit the project by Friday. They have to submit the project by Friday. He has to get up early for this job. He has to get up early for his job. He has to get up early for his job. I have to drink more water every day. I have to drink more water every day. You have to tell the truth always. You have to tell the truth always. She has to help her mother in the kitchen. She has to help her mother in the kitchen. We have to go to the market this evening. We have to reach the airport by 6 p.m. They have to reach the airport by 6 p.m. They have to follow the rules. They have to follow the rules. I have to visit the doctor tomorrow. I have to visit the doctor tomorrow. You have to practice English daily. You have to practice English daily. He has to water the plants every morning. He has to water the plants every morning. We have to be kind to others. We have to be kind to others. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే నా ఈ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Thank you.